Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually show you the actual IP address of a specific domain name. So it's a socket programming. I will show you the simplest of example of creating a socket and finding out the IP address of the domain name that you will enter. Let me show you example that I'm talking about. So we have written this simple Python script using the socket module inside Python. So right here we are inputting this website freemediatools.com, www.freemediatools.com. So here you can replace any website. This is my website here. I want to find out the IP address. So as soon as I execute this Python script now, it will create the socket, it will make the request, and then it will find out the IP address which is there. You can see its socket successfully created, and then it prints out this is actually the IP address of this domain name. The socket has been successfully connected to Google. So this is so in this easy way you can replace it here. Let's suppose I replace it here Google. So now it will find out the IP address of Google, so you can see. So now let me show you the actual module here. It's built in, you need not have to install it, simply import this. So it comes within the default installation of Python. So you simply import the socket module, and then you actually import the system module, which is also a built-in module. And now inside the try block, we simply use the socket module. It contains the socket function, and here you specify these two arguments here, which is socket AF INET sock, and then we need to say stream. After writing this, the socket will be successfully created. So in this way, if the socket will be successfully created, and then we will be making a simple request. So we'll set the port number. The port number will be 80 by default, and then inside again this try block, we will make this simple request to find out the IP address of the specific domain name. So here it contains this function which is get host by name. So here you need to specify the address. So you simply say, you replace the website URL address, you specify it, and then it makes the request and then stores it inside this host IP variable. So we can simply print it. So if I run this now, you will see that on line number 919, so this is parentheses. So now you can see it is printed out successfully the IP address. If I change this, let's suppose, to any other, so in this easy way you can find out the IP address of any domain. Just write this and it will print out the IP address. You can change to any domain here. Let's suppose I change it to github.com, so again it will print out the IP address. So this is a very simple example of socket programming inside Python. It's a very simple example of finding out the IP address of a specific domain name. It has various other uses as well, but this was the very simplest of example. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.